Gemini, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the June 2020, and thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. And yeah, if you guys are liking my content, then please subscribe, like, and share. And I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, love, health, wealth, care, and so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, guys, let's start your reading. This is for the Gemini people for the month of June 2020. This is for the Geminis. Okay, let's cut the deck for you, Geminis. Let's see. Seven of Wands. This is your overall energy. Seven of Swords. Page of Wands. Page of Wands. Two of Wands. 10 of Pentacles. 4 of Cups. Okay. Hanged Man. Star. 5 of Cups. King of Cups. Okay. So Gemini, I'm feeling this is you are taking risk, you are taking a leap of faith towards your abundance. Yeah, you're taking a leap of faith towards your 10 of Pentacles, towards your abundance, and you're not afraid of taking this risk. Yeah, this this risk will give you abundance because you have faith in the universe. This is destiny, universe. So definitely you are very spiritual as well. Okay, 7 of Swords, Page of Wands, and the 2 of Wands. I'm feeling that there was a connection which was very the person you're dealing with, they were very sneaky, they were very manipulative, they were very nasty. They want to control your life without any reason. Yeah. Okay, here is the opportunity to cut them out of your life and to move forward. So you are utilizing that opportunity very well, which is great. So yeah, embrace that newness, which is great. 10 of Pentacles, 4 of Cups, and the Hanged Man are telling me that definitely you have your focus towards the pentacles and money, and that's why you are not interested right now in the love situation. You want to put it at hold. Yeah, that's why you are, because opportunities are around you, but you are not seeing it. With the 4 of Cups and the Hanged Man, definitely you are like, you don't want to look at it. Yeah, towards the love situation. Star, 5 of Cups, and the King of Cups are telling me that you are trying to be healing. You are trying to heal from sadness of the past with the 5 of Cups energy. If there is some kind of regrets and something like that, so you just don't want to deal with them, you want to heal from that. But there is a person who has deep emotions for you, maybe Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio, so they have so much love for you, but you are trying to be happy, stable, and yeah, you are trying to manifest your abundance, which is great. What is the 7 of Wands? For the Geminis. Wow, Wheel of Fortune, beautiful, and the 8 of Pentacles. Wow, and 2 of Cups. Definitely, because this is, wow, this is the law of attraction you are doing right now. Wow, it's beautiful. Okay, you have trust in the universe, that's why you're taking the risk, you're taking the leap of faith. And you know what, universe is always with you. They're also I'm feeling that they are testing your faith, and then you have passed in it. You are like, you have passed the test of the universe, and then wheel is turning in your favor. Wow, and things will be growing for you, and you will have a very beautiful soulmate connection in your life with this 2 of Cups energy, and definitely you will have that person in your life, because this is 2 of Cups. Wow. I hope you can see the cards. Yeah. Okay. So what is this Page of Wands about for the Gemini? Nine of Cups. Yeah. New opportunity brings wish fulfillment. Three of Pentacles. Yeah. Ten of Swords. Okay. By ending the past chapter, by ending this must be past habit, the like the bad habit in yourself, and you are trying to heal that, and you are trying to change it, like you want to repair that thing in yourself. And after that there will be wish fulfillment, and there will be someone who want to collaborate with you. That's why they are sending messages and offers towards you. Four of Cups, please. Why is the Four of Cups here in the heart of the spread for the Gemini? High Priestess, Pisces. Nine of Wands. Knight of Cups. Okay. Yeah, definitely. This I have told you previously that there is someone who wants to offer you their cup of love, but you have your guard up because you are trying to do one thing at one time. Yeah, intuitively that if this is a genuine person or not, but I'm feeling that this is a genuine person and this is a new person coming your way, but you have your guard up because of the past situation and because of the work situation, because you are trying to give your 100% towards your work, and after that love or relationship, yeah, something like that. So definitely you're putting love on a hold. Yeah. What is this Hanged Man about? Two of Pentacles, Hierophant, Lovers. Wow, Gemini, here you are. So I'm feeling that yeah, your concentration or attention is not towards love, but universe has decided something else for you, because you are now stable. Like you are very stable right now. You have everything. You have every element in yourself, like marriage material. So yeah, that's what universe is helping you to have that beautiful connection. So definitely you are unexpectedly manifesting this beautiful love connection. Your attention right now is only on work, and this is the law of attraction. Like you are not living in the past, you are living in the present moment, and you are enjoying the life. You are trying to be happy, and you are like giving gratitude, paying gratitude and beautiful energies for the universe, and that's why universe is giving you this beautiful connection. Wow. So that there is a person around you who want to offer you, so definitely they have genuine feelings for you. What is the star here for the Gemini? This is the Aquarius, your fellow air sign, which is about getting the whole big picture perspective. So let's see. Page of Pentacles, Five of Swords, Three of Cups. Okay, I'm feeling that you are carrying this Aquarius energy, Gemini, definitely, and you're trying to know, like, if this is an offer, so you're trying to know each and everything about them and about their offer, if they're genuine. So I'm telling you that they are genuine. They want to have that connection with you. They want to spend their life with you, time with you. Yeah, they just want to be around you because they like your energy circle. King of Cups, definitely genuine emotions. So let's see. Ten of Cups. Wow. King of Pentacles. Yeah. Six of Cups. I'm feeling that this is your soulmate, and they are genuine about you. They have genuine feelings for you, so don't shut them out. Yeah, they have genuine feelings. So Gemini, this is beautiful reading for you, and you are doing great work on your workplace, and also you are attracting love unexpectedly, and yeah, great month for June for you. So I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.